Now welcome to the sixth video of this course. um, Now we are going to continue with our calculations. Now we have a sample data here, Zenith Bank marketers promotion list. Now we are going to use the if function to make these calculations. Now a criteria is given that promotions to be given to marketers if they get meet up a particular task. You can see of getting 45 customers and above in a year. So we're going to use the if statement to perform the logical argument. Okay, and also before that we're going to get the total customer registered. We're going to get the cost. So how do we do that? We did that quickly using the auto sum. The shortcut I thought about, I'm going to use the shortcut now. So you highlight it and press alternate and equals to equal sign on your keyboard. Alternate plus equal sign, it will give you the auto sum. So we do for the rest by clicking on the auto fill to get the rest. Now we use the if function to perform the logical argument here. Now we say equals if, then we type in, close, open a bracket for it. Now whenever you type a valid function, the syntax will be displayed beneath it. Now it's a logical test. Now you're going to put the the number of customer per each marketer, now which is in that is arrow 7. Okay, so want to perform a logical argument using a logical operator. So we are going to use the greater than sign and equals, greater than equal to. So if this person, if this marketer is the customer registered is greater or equal to 45, okay, then you separate with the comma, then you perform the value if true by putting on the whenever you're dealing with a test, you have to enclose it with the quotation quotation sign. Then you put the logical test, which is yes. You say yes, let's make it capital. Then you close it again, then you separate it, then you type the value if no, then you open another quotation sign, then you put insert no, then you close it again, then you close the bracket and strike enter. Now this person meant the criteria or the task, so the person got promotion. So we double click to get the rest by double clicking on the auto fill or clicking and dragging on it. Now we see some of them that didn't get admission promotion, sorry, they are all on no. So that is how to use the if function to perform logical argument, returning a yes or no result. Now we're going to quickly look at another sample I have here. Let's just look down to see the other ones. Now look at it. So this is it, very fast and easy. Now we're going to look at another example. I'm going to look at another example quickly. Now here is another example, another sample data. This one is a result sheet. Let me view it. This one is the examination result sheet. So we are going to use the if function and the nested if function. Now, so we are going to still get the total result quickly by using the auto sum shortcut. Then select it and press alternate and equal sign. So it automatically give us the total automatically. There is a difference between this table and the other table we used. So the difference is that this one is used, I use it to insert table. So I use insert table format, but this one is not an insert table format. So that is different. Now back to where we are. Now we have gotten the total score for each. Now to get the average now, so say I have that capability to give us automatically calculate the average by putting the average function equals average average, open the brackets, then from f to where the first score is starting, f5 f5 to, for this first person, uh, f5 to m5 m5, then strike enter your keyboard. Now this is the average for all of them. Now here is the grade. Now the grade, to know the grade, whether the person got an A in the subject, or a B or C or D or an F. So before we calculate this grade, there will be a grade system given to you to calculate. Now I'm going to form my own grade, my own grading system, whereby I will give for A, the person must score 70 to 100, 70 to 100 and above. 70 to 100 should be getting A. Sorry, it's not what, because this is on table. Okay, let me just do 70 to 100 A. Then for A, for B should be, the person should score at least 60 to 69. 69 and above should get B plus. Then I go again, for C, for B plus, the person should score 50 to 59 for B. For C, the person should score 40 to 49, should be getting C. Now for D, the person should score 30 to 39, should be D. Now for F, now the person scores 0 to 29, the person should have F. That is fail. Now we're going to use this grading system to make our calculation now. So we'll start by putting, now we're going to use the nested if function. So equals if. Nested if function means the repetition of the if function severally. Now equals if. Now the first score here is Jacob, which is on E5. Now E5, then we start if Jacob being E5. Now we're going to use the score, sorry about that, we're going to use the score. If N5 in total score is greater or equal to 70, greater or equal to 17, then comma should be graded. Whenever you're dealing with text, include the quotation sign, should be graded A plus, or did I say A? A is A, yeah, A comma. Then I open another if function, that is the nested if, but then I will not include the equals sign. Now then you repeat the same thing if N5, so the same person, is greater or equal to 60, greater or equal to 60, should be given B plus. Type the B plus inside. then close it, put another if statement. If um, if n5 is greater or equal to um, let's say there is 50, equal to 50, should be given b rather. Open another one, so equals to n5 greater or equal to 40, should be graded c. Close it to a quotation mark, comma, insert another one. If n5 is greater or equal to 30, should be given d, comma. So for the last one, you don't need the f, you just put the f. Otherwise, then close the f with a quotation sign. Then you close it with the number of you close the bracket with the number of if statement that you made, or the number of brackets you open. Okay, let's count the brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 brackets open, so you close it with the number of brackets you open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And start entering your keyboard. Now all of them passed because they are above 70 and above. So in case you are doing it on your own, or there is a lower score here to give you a different result. Now same thing applies to remark. To get the remark, just the same process, but all the a. Remark means where we have excellent, very good, good, and pass and fail. Now to get the remark, now you can copy the formula here, and copy the formula, then paste here, then change the letters to a text, or a character. Let me say write up. Let's say excellent here. Then here the B plus should be very good. Let's put in a short form, very good. Then the B here should be good. Then the C here should be should we use credit. Now the D here should be pass. Then F here should be fail. So if you strike enter on your keyboard, you see all of them are excellent. Now to get this one is the percent score. You want to get the percentage of this score. So before you get the percentage of this score, it will be given a if the exam is over 100 or more than that. So you divide the total score by the number of the total mark. So what I mean is that you should, assuming is over 200, then, or over 400, you divide the total by 400. So let's do that. Let's say it's 400, or 400, let's say over 400. Now you do n equals n5 being the total score, divided by 100, divided by 400 rather. Check enter. Now this is the percentage score. Okay, so that is it. So calculate scores using using the Excel functions. Now let us take a look at it from right to left, and from top to bottom. This is it. You're looking at, I hope, if yeah, Alright, yeah, ends the tutorial for today. Thank you.